In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a progress circle, just like this. That will update as you update the number. See, there goes 50%, and that shows 50%. So I'm going to show you how to make this this donut chart, and here we go. Let's get into it. So first, what I'm going to do, let's delete the chart, and let's start it from scratch. And here's our data. We've got numbers that are complete. Actually, let's get rid of this. So here's our data. We want to show how far we are complete with level 1 and level 2. We're just going to do the chart on level 1, but you could do the same thing for level 2. To do this, we need to make a not complete also, because we want it to equal 100%. So we need to make a formula as equals 1 minus 50%. See, then when we copy it down, it's going to show the opposite, like 16% complete, 84% not complete. So let's get rid of this too, and we're going to start by making our chart. And we're not even going to put our cursor on the data. We're going to put a cursor off the data, and we're going to go to Insert, Chart, and we're going to start off with the donut chart. So then after we click on that, we want to go to Format, or to Chart Design, and we're going to select Data. We're going to add. We could put whatever we want. I'll just put the letter A. We want series values. You got to put the 1 20 times, and then another comma. So 1, comma, 1, comma, 1, comma, 1. And I lost track here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what that's going to do is just make it look like this. So you can kind of makes it look kind of like it's a progress chart, like every 5% it's kind of separated. So then next we want to get rid of some of this. So let's get rid of the chart title, get rid of the legend. We'll click on the circle, and we want to change it up a little bit. Let's put a solid fill on there. Let's make it blue. And let's go to the actual data and the donut hole size. I want to make the donut hole slightly bigger. And I think that looks good. So this is our first chart. This is how we started it. And next we have to go back. We're going to click on the chart, and we're going to select data again. This time, now we're going to add. So we're going to add a second one. And the series name is here. It's going to be level 1. And then we want to put the series values. We want to put the complete and not complete percentages. So we just want to highlight these two. B2 to C2, and we click OK, and then we'll click OK, and now we've got our second chart. So what we want to do next is change this. Go to change the chart type, because we want to put this like right over the other one. So we want to click on Combo, and let's get this over here to donut. We want to put both of them as a donut, but we want to make this a secondary axis. So we will uncheck the first one and make the second one a secondary axis. And we click OK. So now, actually, let's change this to 0.7%. So it's 70% complete. So we know which one. When it was 50%, we didn't know which side was the complete, which side was the not complete. So now what we want to do is double click on this part, which was the complete part, and then we want to format the data point. If it doesn't come up, you just would right click and go to format data point, and we want to go to the fill, and we want to put no fill. So now we can kind of see this is the part that's complete. Then we want to double click on the not fill part, and we want to make this transparent. So first we'll make it a solid color, and a solid color would be white. So it looks like it's not there, but then if we make it transparent, and we make it say, let's just make it 25% transparent. And there we go. So now we have our chart, which is 70% complete, which is the dark blue, and then here's the light blue, which is the incomplete. And then as we change this, say it's 80%, it becomes even more. And then I also want to get the percentage into the middle of the circle. So we're going to go to Insert, Text Box, put a text box. We're going to put it here in the middle of the circle. And now it's clicking, it's blinking right here, but what we want to do is go up here, up to the status bar, and click equals, and then click the cell, so it's going to put that 80% right there. And let's just center it, make it a little bigger. Oh, made it too big. And we got an 80%. And actually we can click on it, we can change to no fill and no solid line when under the format shape. And there we go, we've got our 80%, and if we change this to say 35%, this becomes 35, and only 35% is actually filled in there. And we can also change the angle if we wanted to change the angle of the first slice, how we want it. Maybe we want these to show up at top, but however you want it. So that's how you would do a progress donut chart, and that should be it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.